Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today we're going to start with a word problem of the day. And today our word problem is going to involve adding or subtracting decimals. Ooh, can I fit that G in there? Yes, I can. Okay, so we're going to go over this word problem. The steps are in a different video, so I'll link that video as well so you can see the steps on how to do it. For this example, I'm just going to go over the word problem and kind of how to set it up. So let's go. Hey guys, we're going to solve this word problem. I'll set it up as much as I can for you and leave you to find the answer. Marcia bought a birthday card for $2.86 and a pen for $1.57. She paid with a $20 bill. How much change should Marcia have received? It's pretty straightforward. I know that I'm going to have at least two steps here. And in 5th grade, most of our word problems will have at least two steps, sometimes three or more. So I know that she bought a birthday card for $2.86 and a pen for $1.57. So I know those totals have to be combined, $2.86 and $1.57. I'm not going to show you the steps on how to set this up. Those are in another video. It'll go over the actual steps on setting up a decimal problem. We're just going to solve this one. Okay, so I know I'm adding. And I like to get in the habit of circling my operation so I don't forget. Because sometimes you'll get so focused on the question, you'll forget if you're adding or subtracting and maybe end up doing the wrong equation or the wrong operation. Okay, so I'm adding these two together because I purchased a pen and a birthday card. 6 plus 7, easy, 13. 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 5 is 14. Regroup the 1. Now the decimals, remember, always bring those straight down so you don't forget that. It's very important. And then I add the last column of whole numbers. 2 plus 1 plus 1, that's 4. So I know that the total amount spent is $4.43. Now, that's awesome because that gives me exactly what I need to go into the next part of the problem, which is the second step, and that is to figure out how much change she got. Well, it tells me in the equation that she paid with let's move it up here a little bit, paid with a $20 bill. So, I wrote over it, paid with a $20 bill, so let's write that up here, $20. Now, in order to be really effective, because I have two place values here, right, the tenths and hundredths, so I need to make this number 20 have two place values, tenths and hundredths. And I'm going to put zeros there for now because there's no value. It's $20 even. And since I spent, the total spent here was $4.43, that means I can subtract that. Subtract from 20, $4, there's my decimal, I'm lining them up, make sure they're straight, and 43 cents. And now I can subtract. I can tell here I have a lot of regrouping to do, right? Because I know that all these zeros are not the largest number, and when I subtract, I need the largest number on top. So all these zeros are not working for me. I can make that a 1. All these are going to regroup to 9, and this will regroup to 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 5 is 4. Bring down the decimal. And then 9 minus 4 is 5. Bring the 1 down. And there you go. I have a total. I have what's left is $15.57. So let's see if you can find the answer choice on there. I was supposed to leave that blank, but I went ahead and did it all for you, so you're welcome. So that's how you would solve this two-step problem of adding and subtracting decimals. Peace.